Hello YouTube, my name is Mohammed Fadali, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to install UiPath Community Edition, also known as the free version of UiPath, on your local Windows machine. If you stumbled upon this video via searching, then I assume you already know what UiPath is. And if you don't know what UiPath is, it's a software program that lets you create software robots, so like virtual robots on your computer, that could control your keyboard and mouse, open and close applications, and interact with websites to automate any process that is repetitive that you'd like to automate on your computer and let the robots do it for you, which is pretty cool, right? So let's think about the software requirements you need in order to download and install UiPath on your machine. First off, you would need a recent version of Windows, so anything before Windows 7, that wouldn't work. So you need something more recent, such as Windows 7, 8, or Windows 10. You would need a .NET framework that's version 4.6.1 or higher, and you would need an up-to-date web browser, so Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. Now, please note that this is not available for Mac. Like most major RPA providers, UiPath did not create a version for Mac. So if you're working from a Mac computer like me and you want to install UiPath, you'd have to use Bootcamp or Parallels, link in the description below, in order to install Windows on your Mac. Or if you use a Windows machine, you could forget about everything I said right now and just go to the next step. So in order to download UiPath, you have to go to the official website uipath.com/start-trial, and link is in the description. Once you have that page open, you would go and choose Community Cloud. So this is the always free version. Click try it. So it would ask you to sign up with Google or Microsoft account, LinkedIn, or email. I'm going to sign up with the email. So after you fill in your information and submit the form, UiPath will send you an email to verify your email. So you'd go to your email and open it. You would click verify email and you're good to go. So this will open this window in front of you here. You could go and click download studio. This will download the UiPath Studio setup file. So once the file finishes downloading, go ahead and open it, run. Now when you see this screen here, it's actually installing UiPath on your computer. And now when it opens this window, we'll click on the community license and we go ahead and choose UiPath Studio for choose a profile and then click stable. So here you could leave these selected by default. And there we have it. UiPath is now installed on your machine. To start a new process, you'd simply click process, name the process anything and go. And there we have it. We have this screen, which is our desired output, where we could start building robots. So we could simply go to new, sequence, and start playing around with the activities, pulling in stuff here. So if you want to become an expert and learn more about UiPath, please subscribe to this channel because I'll be putting out a lot of content on UiPath and UiPath Studio to creating robots. Now wait! Don't you close the video yet. A very important last step in this process is to install the UiPath, Chrome, and Firefox extensions so that you could work with browsers, because a lot of the automation and scrapping and stuff you'll be doing will be interacting with browsers, and UiPath needs these plugins in order to communicate with Chrome and Firefox. So in order to do that, you would go to Home and then Tools, and then you would click on Chrome. It asks me to close Chrome first, so I'll go ahead and do that. I hit OK, and it's now installed. So I would have to go and check that it's enabled in Chrome extensions, and I'd restart the browser. Okay. You do the same for Firefox, and later on, if we're going to be interacting with desktop applications using Java and Certex and Silverlight and all that stuff, we have here all the tools we need in order to be interacting with these applications. In order to interact with applications on your desktop, such as Office or Notepad or Evernote or any of that, you don't need any extensions. It's already built in the tool itself. And it's as easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you found this video useful. If you have any questions regarding installing UiPath or running it on your machine, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll try to answer your question.